Hey everyone, do your app downloads keep stopping on your iPhone? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi Fi or mobile data is working properly. A slow or unstable connection can stop app downloads. Step 2. Resume the download. Go to the home screen and tap the stop app icon to continue the download. Step 3. Check available storage. Go to settings. General iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough free space to download and install the app. Step 4. Check App Store settings. Go to Settings, Apps, App Store. Make sure app downloads are allowed on your current connection. Step 5. Check low power mode. Go to Settings, Battery and turn off low power mode. Then try downloading the app again. Step 6. Try the download again. Open the App Store, find the app and start the download again. And that's it. These steps should help fix app downloads that keep stopping on your iPhone. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy iPhone tips.